Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI to summarize meeting notes efficiently. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open and go to your meeting notes page. You can highlight the text that you want to summarize, or also you can click on this icon over here in order to open the AI chat. You can type in a prompt, something such as summarize these meeting notes into key action points and press enter. Just wait for it to craft the answer for you. So the Notion AI will take some time in order to summarize it for you, but it will generate a short summary with main decision, tasks, and highlights. You can also refine it by asking it to refine it. You can simply select it and then it says reformat, explain, proofread, improve writing. And you can also edit it with AI. Simply give it a prompt and it will do it for you. So this will help turn long meeting notes into clear, structured summaries quickly. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.